Hi, my sweet peeps, and this is your kiss for today. We are keeping it simple, spirituality. We are moving the energy in our bodies, using our mind and using our breath. So that's the low-hanging fruit, is the breath. So we're going to work on our shoulders. So we're going to inhale and shrug the shoulders up real tight. Exhale, let them drop. Inhale, shrug it up. Squeeze it tight. Exhale, let it go. One more time. Inhale up. Let it drop. Exhale. Now let's just close the eyes. Drop into the energy that you've created now that you didn't have before we started. 15 seconds. Here we go. Feel the new currency. Feel that activity. 10 more seconds. Bathe in that new energy. 5 more seconds. Nice. Take a deep breath. Exhale it out. Yeah. Okay. Well, that was your kiss for today. Have an awesome day. I'll see you next time.